Trafalgar. The reason we are here because we're going to see the cherry blossom. Malapit lang daw. Daming tao kasi holiday. Model mo na si Ching.
Ikaw naman, Susin!
Ayos lang.
Tulo!
Hoy!
Ay, may picture na rin ako nakadress. Alayo ko na lang.
Trafalgar. This is my YouTube channel, guys. Shout out. I'm here with my Filipina friend in Trafalgar, London. Ching! Saan ka na, Ching? Dito ka sa ano ko? Sa Facebook. Oh, sa YouTube.
You're lucky you're with us.
Hi! Shout out, Ching. Kami lang tatlo dito, guys. Nabisita sa Trafalgar in London. This is one of the tourist spots here. Ganda ng weather today. Mag-ingat kayo sa mga snatcher. Mayroon din snatcher dito sa London. Sige, kung may snatcher, lapit dito.
My favorite place.
Para maprotektahan ako ni Susi sa aking fountain. Lapitan din dito ang Jollibee.
Visit London.
Is it your first time?
Second time. But it was like 20 years ago.
Oh, oh my.
So first time.
We're just enjoying
The next one, we are going to Jollibee muna, mag-lunch kami, and then go to the cherry blossom. Busy na yun, guys, kasi holiday dito sa England. Nasa break time yung mga bata. Kami lang ditong tatlo, si Jane and Susie.